The newly crowned London Marathon champion Kipchoge steered off the world record talks despite running the second fastest time in history while defending the London Marathon on Sunday. Kipchoge was speaking on arrival at the Eldoret Airport together with the second place finisher Stanley Biwott, who admits he was surprised by himself.
The London Marathon participants jetted back to the country Tuesday morning and headed straight to Eldoret, where they arrived to a low-key reception with only family members and close friends present. The sick, the drink of champions was, however, in plenty. On arrival, Eliud Kipchoge and Stanley Biwott, who gifted Kenya with a 1-2 podium finish, expressed their feelings about the performance.
I am happy for winning and also for running a course record in London. But I was not believing that I could run 2 or 3. It became a surprise also. I was happy when I see that when I crossed the finish line and 2:3:50, I was happy. But I cannot confirm that I'm going to break a world record. But it's only 2 days after I ran a fast time. So I'm still to go and relax, sit down and plan. One day, one time to represent my country in such a big event. I'll run it and I'll be very grateful. And I'm going to do my best. I'm in the hands of a Federation, so if they will select me, I will go for Olympics.
Kenya has only won the men marathon once through the late Samuel Wanjiru in the 2008 Beijing Olympics, while Ethiopia has dominated that front. Lynn Washira, KTN News.